Right guys, we've been called out to a Vaillant boiler which has a hot water problem. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to turn on the hot water. Okay, the boiler has sensed that the hot water is in demand. It's going to increase the temperature and see what happens. Okay, we've got nothing happening. I'm just going to open it up. Okay, here's a boiler. This is a Turbo Max Plus 828E. I'm just going to check the pump. And as you can see, there's a demand for hot water, but there is no movement on the pump. But we can see the boiler is starting to heat up. Well, the temperature has gone very high, yet that part is very hot. We can tell that the plate is blocked up because one end is cold and the other end is very hot. So we're going to open this plate up, have a look. Right, the domestic heat exchanger has now been removed. As you can see, it's just a pretty straightforward removal. Just undo the pins from the diverter valve and undo the nut from the water inlet, and it's a straightforward. So that's come out. We're going to have a look what the blockage is. As you can see from the water, it's pretty black. Right, let's have a look what comes out of here. As you can see from there, that is pretty bad blockage, and that causes the restrictions in the plate, which then doesn't let the water flow through, causing the boiler to make a kettle sound. So yeah, that's pretty bad. You can tell there's quite a few bits in there. Now we're going to replace this with another one which has already been cleaned and serviced. That's what it should be. Different shape, but the connections are pretty much all the same. So we're going to put this in and see how that goes. Okay, then we replaced the plate and it's all put back in. Everything's all been checked for any leakages, and now we're going to see how this goes. Right, temperatures are all okay at the moment. Let's go fire it up. Turned on. Boiler has fired up. And the hot water's all heated up. No kettling sound. Seems to have done the trick. Back to the boiler, and that was the water that was taken out of there when it was drained. I'm going to dump this in the WC. It's quite heavy. As you can see, that's the water in the system. Which is pretty bad. The customer would need a power flush to resolve this issue in the long run, because as they turn the heating back on, all that rubbish that's in the system will go back into the plate in here again, and it will cause problems. But for now, that's all done. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.